Question number 47. If the sequence of the nitrogenous bases in one of the DNA strand is 3-AGA-TTCGA 5-, then the sequence of the complementary strand is, think about it, it's very easy. And if you are in doubt, get it out. And as a key for you here, try using the Ervin-Chargaff base pairing rule. He said here DNA, that's why I make a separator. In RNA, the Ervin-Chargaff base pairing rule stating that adenine always pair with uracil and guanine always pair with cytosine. While in DNA, always adenine pair by a double hydrogen bond with thymine and guanine pair with a triple hydrogen bond with cytosine. And the correct answer here is yes. The correct answer is A. Let's prove it. A will pair with T, G will pair with C, A will pair with T, two T's with two A's, C with G, G with C, A with T. Exactly. And here is the correct answer. So the correct answer is A. Yes, 5 have to be switched because 5 is same as A. So I should make this G, for example. I'll modify this in order not to make any confusion. Yeah, C is, but in the original question in the Arabic version, do not have the C as a correct answer. It's A. So maybe my mistake, I bought C instead of G. Okay, so I will modify the answer C in order to make it matching to those exact Arabic version that came in the exam. So it is A.